Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be looking at how to model spring in Solidworks. This a spring like this is a compression spring. So we'll look at how to model this in Solidworks. Things we need are the wire diameter, the spring diameter, and the height of the spring and the pitch of the spring. Those are the parameters that will require to model this spring. So let's get into it. Open a new sketch on top plane. Draw a circle with the mean diameter of the spring, say 50 mm. Then go to feature, curves, helical. Then choose height and pitch. Now, one thing you must understand is there are two types of helix here, the constant pitch and the variable pitch. We're going to use the variable pitch because that is what is going to give us a spring that is close to what is in the actual, in the reality, the real kind of spring. So choose the variable spring. So we want this spring to have diameter 3 mm, wire diameter of 3 mm. So we give the starting pitch to be 3.01. Then we have go to 6 mm height and close on 3.01. Then go to 10 mm, choose the pitch of the spring as we want is 8 mm. Then that will go to the height of 90 mm, close 8 mm. Then 94 and then 3.01 to close the height of 100 and 3.01. This will mean that the spring will have a close pitch at the beginning and at the end of the spring, that at the bottom and at the top of the spring, as we're going to see from the spiral that we have created. Then let this one start at 0 and let's use clockwise. So we're going to have an helix that is this way. Then on the right plane, open a sketch, to normal, draw a circle, specify the wire diameter of the spring, which is 3 mm. Then choose the center and the spring and use PS to define the wire diameter. Close, then go to sweep broad base, choose the profile, and this helix is our path. Then you have your spring. Now to make it close to what we have in reality, we're going to cut the top and the bottom. So let's create a sketch. Draw a rectangle, the plane. Then the height one is 100. So cut extrude through both sides. Okay. Then change the material to the SEM 36. So we have our spring. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any comment. Let me know if you have any question and put it in the comment. And if there's anything you want me to explain further or to change, please don't forget to subscribe and give this a thumbs up if it's been useful to you. And we'll see you in another video. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.